Shaun White and Charlie back at it again, boy. Okay, what exactly is a collection agency? Oh man, that is the opposition. That is the away team. Collection agencies are the villains of the movie. Okay, you're a brave knight. I'm a credit wizard. They are the dark army coming to destroy our lands. Officially, they are companies outsourced by lenders to recover funds. Let's call it what it is, man. They're modern day loan sharks. So let's just say you have a debt. You might not even know you have the debt. Every lender has a certain time period where they're gonna say, all right, I'm tired of bothering you. They take all these defaults and unpaid debts and put them in a pile. Over there. Then these clown show collection agencies come around and go, hey, what's up? What you doing all that unpaid debt over there? Then these banks are like, I don't know. They owe us money. We've been calling them for 3 months straight. They're not picking up the phone. They're not calling us back. We give up. Collection agencies are like, yo, I'll take that debt off your hands. I can keep calling them and being annoying. And if I get some money out of them, I can split it with you. And the banks are like, something's better than nothing. So yeah. So now you have this company that's consistently calling you 3 to 4 times a day over a $80 phone bill that has now ballooned to $160 for some odd reason, and you have no idea how to deal with them. The number one best way to deal with collection agencies is to not deal with them at all. You should always try to keep a really good relationship with your lenders. Situations happen and you may get behind on your payments. That's okay. What's not okay is getting behind on your payments and then neglecting to communicate with the people that you owe money to. There's so many options that you can pursue without paying your full amount of debt to your lender. You can defer payments. You can pay bi-weekly. You can consolidate. What you should never do is have the relationship between you and the lender get so bad to where they feel they need to bring in a third party. You got to prepare your credit, huh? Yeah? So if you do have a collection agency coming after you, there's a lot of things that you can do to help your situation as well. The number one thing to do is start a dialogue with a collection agency. 9 times out of 10, you can stop those repetitive and harassing phone calls by simply picking up the phone, saying, hello, yes, this is me. How can we work this out? If the collection is $1,000, it doesn't mean you have to give them $1,000 right then and there. Any amount of money that you give a collection agency is a win to them because they didn't loan you any money. And the lender that did loan you money already wrote it off. I changed the client status to agreed as paid by having them put $40 down on a $1,200 bill to a collection agency. So the moral of the story is, to defeat the enemy, we must understand the enemy. Logo.